Hello everyone, so welcome back to this tutorial. So I'm going to show you how to make it full screen. So basically, let's open up our terminal to see some things. Yeah. Alright. So because this is the first time we are opening it up, so it's going to be very slow. Let me try to make it smaller. Alright, cool. So just type apt-get update. Let's see what's going to happen. Finish reading. Done. Alright, cool. So I don't have problem with this. Alright, so if you have problem with this, you can just go to nano etc apt sources.list. Go. This is for it and press enter. So you can see, so this is it. So if you don't have this, you can just go to open your Firefox and go to Kali repositories or put it in the resources. You can check the link and then go and copy it and come and paste it there. Alright, so I already have it, so I'll just press Ctrl X to exit. And I believe all of you should have it if that's a fresh installation. So let me just clear up the terminal. So just type clear and press enter. Alright, so the next thing is to do apt get install Linux headers press dash with $, open bracket, uname dash r. Don't worry about this command, just type it, press enter. So you can see there's a lock here. So basically just copy this folder, this lock folder, just copy it, highlight it nicely, and then right click on it, copy, and come here, type rm to remove that lock and press Ctrl Shift V to copy on the terminal and press enter. So let's run the same command. So just hit the up key on your keyboard and go back to the same thing. Press enter. You can see there's another lock here. Copy the same thing and type rm and then enter. That lock is also removed, so you can come back again and then press it. It's going to store, but okay, cool. So if you see any lock again, you can just type rm and copy that directory and do that. Alright, so I've installed it without any problem, so clear it. So now come to devices and come to insert guest addition disk image, click on it, OB2X. Alright, let's see. Just wait for it to come. So here, don't press run, just choose cancel, because if you run it, nothing will happen. So just cancel it. Alright, cool. So now let's type apt get install Virtualbox guest utils. Alright, so this command, so just make sure you type it. The more you type, the more you get to know the Linux command. So just press yes, just type Y and then go yes. Alright, so it should install with no problem, I believe. Alright. Alright, it's coming. Okay, let it finish. Okay, processing triggers. Okay, so done. That is it. So let me just clear up my terminal. Alright, so the next thing is type cd and then /media and then /cd-rom 0, because this is where the guest additions are. Alright, but if you want to see it clearly, let me go back. I'll just delete some and see and show you something. Alright, so cd to just media and press enter. ls, so you can see cd-rom and then cd-rom 0. This is where the guest additions are. So you just type cd-rom 0 and press enter and then ls, so you can see it clearly. This is it. So you want to run this, so just copy it nicely, right click on it and then copy and type sh dot / and then paste what you copied, and then so you can see it's running. So to ask, do you wish to continue, just type yes and then enter. Cool. And then just sit back and wait for it to finish configuring, and then at the end our PC should be full screen. Alright, patience. Alright, so you can see it says that so for the system to run, for the full screen mode to run, you have to make sure you restart the system. Alright, so if you get this error, just let me minimize this one to show you. This error, just press OK. Alright, and then in the terminal just type reboot to reboot the system, and then if you reboot it, it's going to work. So just press enter and wait for it to reboot. You go. After rebooting, you should have your full screen mode activated. Alright, so let's say it's rebooting. Just press enter to go into Kali. So it should work at full screen. Let me close this. So you can see it has come at full screen. You can see it clearly. That is full screen. We just need to wait for it. Alright, so the username, just type your username again and then your password. Alright, so you can see that's our Kali. Alright, so if you want to make a full screen mode, you can just hold the right control key on your keyboard and press F. Alright, so do not show this message again. Alright, just switch. Cool. Control F. Let's wait for it. So you can see it clearly that it's full screen. So if you want to do any other thing, you can just come down here and then choose this, select this. When you select it, and then it will come back to what you want. Alright, so I'll end the tutorial here. So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Windows 7 Professional. It's going to be basically the same process. Alright, bye.